Understanding the phrase, biding one's time. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, biding one's time. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video will provide you with insights into what this phrase means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand it better. Biding one's time is an idiomatic expression in English. To bide means to wait, so when someone is biding their time, they are waiting for the right moment to do something. This phrase often implies a sense of strategic patience. It's used when someone is waiting calmly for a good opportunity to arise, rather than rushing into action. This phrase has its roots in older forms of English. The word bide was more commonly used in the past, meaning to endure or to wait. Over time, the phrase took on a strategic connotation, suggesting not just waiting, but waiting with a purpose or an intention. To better understand how to use biding one's time, let's look at some examples. 1. After losing the election, the politician was biding his time, waiting for the right moment to make a comeback. 2. In the wildlife documentary, the lion was biding its time before going in for the hunt. 3. She's not in a hurry to take the job offer, she's biding her time to see if something better comes along. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from politics and nature to personal decisions. It's helpful to know some synonyms for biding one's time: waiting patiently, lying in wait, playing the waiting game, waiting for the opportune moment. Understanding these synonyms can broaden your vocabulary and give you alternative ways to express the same idea. And that's a wrap on biding one's time. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English phrase. Remember, language learning is all about discovery and practice. So, keep exploring, and perhaps try using biding one's time in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!